Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Garg, and today we will discuss about one new topic which is data modeling. In our previous tutorial, you remember we are talking about data ingesting, where we discuss we are capturing the data from different data sources. We will capture the data from Amazon, we will capture the data from Salesforce, we will capture some data from any website or anything, right? So now we have data in our Salesforce, right? But is that data is mapped with any Salesforce object? No, right? So there are no use for data because if that data is not mapped in correct objects, then what is the use of that data? Okay, let me give you one example. So if you are working in Salesforce, so you know that if we are designing any system, so any data which is related to any business, we will store that in our account object that if we want to store the data for employees, right, then we will store that data in contact object. If anyone raise a case, then we will use case object. If someone order something, so we will store that data in order object, because this is a data model of Salesforce, right? We need to follow the data model. We will not store the order information in account object. We will not store the issues information in contact object. There are lot of object, and every object have their own need and have their own use, right? So we will not map anything um, which is not useful, right? So same thing will apply in here also, right? We will capturing the data from different data source, and once we capture the data from different data source, we will map the data in particular objects, and that particular process is known as a data modeling. Simple. So data modeling is nothing but is something in data cloud to model or to create a data model for data uh, which we are receiving from different sources. So here you can see the real-time example, which I already, I guess, explained you. Like as a company, I am getting the data from different points, like e-commerce website, physical point of contact, or customer service system. And after then, we will see what are the information we are getting. If some information is related to company, then we can map it from account of the. If this is individual information, then we will map with contact. If this is order type of information, we will use order. If this is something related to support or issue, we will map it to the case as object. Okay. So let me give you one simple example. So here, uh, you see, here what we are doing. We are mapping fields which we are getting from the data cloud to the say to the our Salesforce system. So see this type of system, this type of mapping we need to do when when we will define the fields or mapping. Like we are mapping the account ID with the account ID, and account ID is a primary key. Now we are mapping account name to the account name. So this is what we are doing. Okay, so we are mapping with account object. Like here we don't know which type of data we have, but here we know this is a account data, this is a contact data, this is a opportunity data. So we are mapped that data. So this is known as a data modeling in data cloud. Hope you are understand that. If not, you can ask the questions in our comment section. Okay, thank you so much for joining this tutorial. Thank you.